This is no weather rate to fit. This is a tornado watch. Tornado watch number 8 has been extended until 4 p.m. and expanded to include the following counties in Florida, Dixie, and Lafayette. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to your weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, the tornado watch number 8 has been extended until 4 p.m. and expanded to include the following counties in Florida, Dixie, and Lafayette. This is a tornado watch.
Wow.
Tornado watch number 8 remains in effect until 4 p.m. for the following. Remember, a tornado watch means...
There we go.